Most AI tools are genuinely impressive, but there is one problem. They don't understand your work. Unless, of course, you copy and paste it or export and bring it over. So before they can help, you have to explain everything. Another tab, another prompt, another workflow. ClickUp Brain is different. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from SoftwareFinds. And on this channel, we break down the tools that actually make your work easier, not just the ones that look good in demos. And ClickUp Brain is one of the more interesting ones because it's built directly into the workspace where your work already lives. So ClickUp Brain, instead of sitting in another tab on your browser, it actually sits inside your actual workspace. We can see it here. So that means that it already has the context of your tasks, your docs, your projects, everything that's happening, your processes, your systems, which means instead of you having to pull your work out and explain it, hoping that the AI understands it, you're just working, which makes life a lot easier. So the AI is working with you. Let's take a look at where this actually shows up in a real workflow. Let's say you're running a marketing campaign. You open up a task and it's got everything in it, like a brief, a few comments from your team, a checklist, maybe some subtasks, and a couple of ideas written down. Normally, this is where things slow down. You're reading everything, you're trying to piece it together, then you're jumping into another tool like ChatGPT or Claude, and you're trying to get it to create something from that information. But this is where ClickUp Brain changes that. Instead of leaving the task and changing your tabs, you just ask it to generate what you need. Landing page copy, add headlines, descriptions, whatever it might be. And because it's already inside your workspace, it's not guessing. It's using the actual context from your task. But the real win isn't just the context, it's what happens next. So we can see here that it's generated a response, and we don't need to copy that and then jump back into another tab, pasting it elsewhere. We can turn this directly into a ClickUp doc. Then once that's created, we can link it back to the task itself and move straight into execution. And that's the difference here. With ClickUp Brain, you're not just generating ideas or prompting responses, you're actually moving the work forward. Now let's look at another use case, sales, because this is where things usually get messy. You've got information spread across a pipeline. Think contacts, leads, deals, notes, activities, proposals. So you're trying to understand everything that's going on and you have some disconnected information, or at least you have to jump through different views or filter out what is important that you want front and center. Well, with ClickUp Brain, you're not jumping between all of it. You'll actually prompt ClickUp Brain and ask what's happening with a certain deal, or where did that deal come from, or what do we need to do next for this deal? And it doesn't just stop at summarizing. There we can see the information that we wanted was brought front and center. You can take that deal and you can actually have ClickUp Brain generate delivery tasks on your behalf. Things like kickoff call, data audit, build phase, client handover, and more. Then it can create them for you. So not only are you getting the ideas on the next steps, you actually have the work moving forward. So we create them, we link them, they're structured, and all of that without having to leave the workspace, or more importantly, having to do that manually step by step. So instead of just understanding your pipeline, ClickUp Brain actually moves the needle for your processes. And this is where the pattern starts to repeat. Let's discuss this when we consider the operations team, because this is where a lot of the manual work happens. Things like SOPs, documentation, and reports. So you can ask for a monthly KPI review. We'll do just that. Prompting it, let's actually give it specifics on what we want to see. And here we're getting a quick response. Now, what would usually happen would be someone will be delegated to actually run through all of the information, the data that we have. Or what I'm seeing a lot of teams do now is they export that data, jump into an LLM, ChatGPT or Claude, whatever you might be using, and then have that prompted. Then once it's ready, they pull that out and paste it into a Google Doc or create a new doc within their business workspace. Well, with ClickUp Brain, we can see that it is actually conducting that on our behalf. What's something else? Let's say, for instance, we have an SOP or a process that we need documented. Well, we somewhat already know the process, but not only that, ClickUp actually has the process directly within the workspace. Perhaps it's our deal pipeline. All we need to do is prompt ClickUp Brain to create that SOP on our behalf. So let's say we need an SOP for our process, and that goes ahead. That looks through the workspace where the info, the context already lives, and then generates a standard operating procedure for us. If we're not happy with what we've received, we can just give it further context because we understand how things move. But we don't want to get stuck creating a document from scratch or even jumping between tabs to have that built. And I'm sure at this point, you are starting to notice that pattern I mentioned. It's not just helping in one area, it shows up everywhere where work happens. And that's the real difference here. It's not just about what the AI can do, it's about where it lives. Most AI tools ask you to bring the work to them. You copy it, you paste it, you explain it. This flips that. ClickUp Brain, the AI, is already inside the work, which means less context switching, less re-explaining, and less friction overall. And over time, that's what actually saves you hours. If you are already using ClickUp, this is one of the features that is definitely worth exploring. We've created a video on our other channel that dives deeper into how to use ClickUp Brain, the costs, and what it is useful for, as well as some limitations. If you want to check that out, go ahead here. But if you do want to get started with ClickUp Brain, well, I've left a link in the description of this video so you can get started today.